got this product as a free sample to make a review on it. Adhesive Desktop Cable Organizer by GLUIT. Versatile cord management keeps cable, chargers and wires neatly organized on desk or tables. Strong adhesive stays securely in place without sliding or leaving the place. Multi-surface use works on wood, glass, metal, plastic and other smooth surfaces. Easy installation, compact and lightweight, doesn't take up desk space while keeping cords accessible. Durable material, made to hold cables firmly without breaking or losing the grip. 5-pack convenient packaging provides multiple holders for all your office, home or workspace.